if I told you that you've probably used artificial intelligence more than 20 times today, before you've even had your morning coffee? From unlocking your phone, checking your route to work, listening to your favorite music, or asking your smartwatch about the weather, AI is quietly working behind the scenes. It's become such a normal part of our lives that most people don't even realize it's there. Every time you use a navigation app like Google Maps, artificial intelligence is processing millions of pieces of traffic information in real time. It analyzes accidents, road closures, traffic speed, construction work, and historical travel patterns to predict the fastest and most efficient route. It's not simply giving you directions. It's making intelligent predictions before you even reach the traffic. Have you ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? Or how Spotify creates playlists that feel like they were made just for you? That's artificial intelligence at work. It learns from your viewing history, listening habits, and preferences to recommend movies, videos, and songs you're most likely to enjoy. The more you use these platforms, the better those recommendations become. Artificial intelligence is also helping protect your digital life. When you unlock your phone using Face ID or a fingerprint, AI instantly verifies your identity. Banks also use AI to monitor transactions and detect unusual activity that could indicate fraud. These systems work within seconds, making online banking and mobile devices safer than ever before. Every time you shop online, AI is learning from your browsing behavior. It looks at the products you've viewed, your previous purchases, and even what similar customers are buying. That's how online stores recommend products you may actually be interested in, and sometimes even predict what you'll need before you search for it. Artificial intelligence is making healthcare smarter and more efficient. Doctors can use AI to help analyze medical images, identify patterns, and support clinical decision-making. While healthcare professionals always make the final decisions, AI provides valuable assistance by processing large amounts of medical information quickly and accurately. Farming is becoming more intelligent with the help of AI. Artificial intelligence can analyze weather forecasts, satellite imagery, soil conditions, and crop data to help farmers make better decisions. This allows them to improve productivity, reduce waste, and use resources such as water and fertilizer more efficiently. Businesses across the world are using artificial intelligence to work smarter every day. AI helps automate repetitive tasks, analyze massive amounts of information, improve customer support, and provide insights that help companies make faster and better business decisions. AI isn't replacing every job. In many cases, it's helping people become more productive and focus on higher value work. At Data Experts 360, we help organizations transform ideas into digital solutions. From websites and mobile applications to software development, quality assurance, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, our goal is simple: helping businesses make smarter decisions through technology. Our mission is simple: helping businesses transform data into smarter decisions and better results. Follow Data Experts 360 for more insights.